Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to display the date on top of your Samsung phone using the Good Lock app. Let's get started. First, open the Galaxy Store and download the Good Lock app if you don't have it already. Search for Good Lock in the Galaxy Store. Tap Install and wait until it's downloaded. First, open the Good Lock app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on QuickStar. If you don't have it yet, just install it from here. Enable it from here. Next, tap on Clock Settings. Now tap on Show Date and simply enable it. The date will instantly appear at the top of your status bar, right next to the time. You can also go into Clock Settings to change the position or style of your clock along with the date. And that's it. You've enabled the date on top in Samsung Galaxy phones using Good Lock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thanks for watching.